Want Excel to sum sales automatically, based on what you pick from a dropdown? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set it up, step by step with a real example. Hi, I'm Wamik, and this is Easy Click Learning. We'll create a drop-down list, link it to a formula, and watch totals update instantly. Okay, let's dive in. Here's our sample data set. In column A, product names. Column B, region. And column C, sales amounts. We'll keep it simple with just a few rows, but this method works perfectly on hundreds or even thousands of rows. Now, let's add a drop-down, so users can easily pick a product. Select a blank cell, let's use E2. Go to the Data tab. Click Data Validation. Under Allow, choose List. For the source, highlight the product names in column A. Finally, click OK. Now, cell E2 has a drop-down where you can pick any product from our list. Here comes the magic. In cell F2, let's write the formula step by step. Type equals SUMIF. Open parenthesis. This function adds values based on a condition. Next, select the range A2 to A9. This is the range Excel will look in, which contains all product names. Then, add a comma, select the E2 cell. This is our condition, the drop-down selection. Finally, select C2 to C9. This is the range of numbers Excel will sum our sales amounts. Close the bracket. The full formula looks like this. What this means is, look through the product list in column A. If it matches the drop-down in E2, then add up the corresponding sales from column C. Now press Enter. Let's test it. I select Apple in the drop-down, and Excel instantly shows $320. Switch to Orange. It updates to $480. Dynamic reporting in just seconds. And if you want even more control, say, to sum by product and region, you can use SUMIFS. Same idea, but it allows multiple conditions for smarter reporting. Here's the SUMIFS formula for summing by product and region. This means, add up the sales from column C, but only where the product matches E2, and the region matches F2. Now press Enter, and test it. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and remember, Excel doesn't have to be hard, when you learn it the easy way. See you in the next one.